A unique beauty contest for visually impaired girls was held on behalf of NGO Blind's Dream, and the chairman of the NGO, Mr. Sameer Mansoori, hosted the event at the club Andheri, Mumbai. The unique beauty pageant, Princess India 2016-17, was a sight to see. As 16 women achievers walked the ramp with 16 visually impaired girls who were selected from all over India. The chief guest of the day was none other than Macho Man John Abraham, and others like Subhash Ghai, Javed Ali added to the greatness of the day.
हम सब एक साल में कम से कम 200 बार 300 बार इवेंट देखते हैं, टेलीविज़न पे लाइव में कभी जाते हैं और इवेंट पे इवेंट देखते हैं, ग्लैमरस इवेंट देखते हैं, स्पिरिचुअल देखते हैं, लेकिन जो आज का क्षण है, आज का जो इवेंट है, ये एक बहुत ही इमोशनल, स्पिरिचुअल, इंस्पायरिंग और एक अलग किस्म का इवेंट है जिसमें कि जीवन की प्रेरणा के बारे में कहा जाता है, आंतरिक शक्ति के बारे में कहा जाता है। मैं मुबारकबाद देना चाहता हूं सबसे पहले डॉक्टर समीर को, जिन्होंने ये इनिशिएटिव लिया और सबको इनकरेज किया कि हम भी किसी से कम नहीं। और मैं तो आज इतना खुश हुआ सब लड़कियों को, बच्चों को देख के, हर एक का कॉन्फिडेंस जो था वो मैं समझता हूँ कि जो साधारण, जो नॉर्मल मॉडल होती हैं उनसे भी ज़्यादा था। एम आई राइट? तो सबको मुबारक, बच्चों को, सब लोगों को इसी तरह से शाइन करते रहिए, बढ़ते रहिए और हमारा आशीर्वाद आपके साथ है। डॉक्टर साहब, हमारा सहयोग भी आपके साथ है। ऐसी सर्विस के लिए वी आर ऑलवेज देयर। God bless.
On the judges panel were Bhagyashree, Amira Dastur and John Abraham as they asked questions to the ladies and also crowned winners for the day.
Everyone was a winner for us, Bhagyashree. So, like they always say, beauty is from within and not from the outside, and these girls have proved both, that they're beautiful from within and they're so beautiful from the outside as well. So congratulations to each one of them, and it's always a pleasure and an honor being here and learning so much when we go back from here, for me, for you, and for each one in the audience.
Thank you to all of you for encouraging all these lovely girls over here. And I think what's most important is they showed us when disability can be made into an ability, and they have progressed far from where we normal people could have. We keep on complaining about things in our lives that go wrong, and these girls have taken that step forward to leave behind what is wrong to make things right for them. I think a big round of applause for them, for their parents to encourage them and take them forward, and thank you for all the media over here. Please do encourage these girls.
I am just so happy to be here on Women's Day. I think all these girls were absolutely stunning. I think everybody is a winner, and I'm really inspired by them, and I think they're going to inspire a lot of other girls, and I think it's a beautiful cause.
The happy smiles were worth a watch. No disability can be a disability unless one makes it so, and the women on stage proved their point.